Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is a plus b is equal to 1, a cubed plus b cubed is equal to 5 over 2, and to find the value of a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From equation 1, we have a plus b is equal to 1. And here, we raise both sides of the equation to power of 3. So this to power of 3 and this to power of 3. And in here, it will be a plus b to power of 3 is equal to a cube plus b cube and plus 3ab times a plus b. And 1 to the power of 3 is 1, right? And here we have a cube plus b cube, and from equation 2, this is equal to 5 over 2. So we write this as 5 over 2 and plus 3ab and a plus b. A plus b from equation 1 in here is 1, right? So this is equal to 1 and it will be 3ab is equal to 1. And here we take this to this side and 3ab is equal to 1 minus 5 over 2. 1 minus 5 over 2, it will be negative 3 over 2, right? We can write this 1 as 2 over 2, and 2 over 2 minus 5 over 2, it will be negative 3 over 2. And next step, we divide both sides of the equation by 3, so ab from here is equal to negative 1 over 2. So we let this as equation 3. In next step, we write again equation 1, and equation 1 is a plus b is equal to 1, right? This is equation 1. So in here, we raise both sides of the equation to power of 2. So this to power of 2 and this to power of 2, and it will be a square plus b square and plus 2ab is equal to 1 to the power of 2 is 1. And here, ab is negative 1 over 2. So we write this as negative 1 over 2. And it will be a square plus b square is equal to 2 times negative 1 over 2, it will be negative 1. And we take this negative 1 to this side, and it will be 1 plus 1 is 2. So a square plus b square is equal to 2. And we let this as equation 4. In here, we want to find the value of a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. So we write again equation 1. A plus b is equal to 1. And here, we raise both sides of the equation to power of 4. So this to the power of 4 and this to the power of 4. A plus b to the power of 4, it will be a to the power of 4 plus 4a cubed times b and plus 6a square b square and plus 4a times b cubed and plus b to the power of 4 is equal to 1 to the power of 4 is 1. And in here we have a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. And in here we have 4a cubed b and 4ab cubed. And from these two parts we factor 4ab. So this divided by 4ab, it will be a square, and plus this divided by 4ab, it will be b square, right? And in here we have 6a square b square, and we can write a square b square as ab to the power of 2, right? And this is equal to 1. So in next step, a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and plus 4ab. ab in here is negative 1 over 2. So this is negative 1 over 2. And a square plus b square in here is 2. So we write this as 2, right? And here we have ab, so negative 1 over 2, right? ab is negative 1 over 2. And ab, negative 1 over 2 to power of 2, it will be 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4. So from here, 4 times negative 2, it will be negative 2, right? Negative 2, this is negative, negative 2, and times this 2, and plus 4 times 1 over 4. 6 times 1 over 4, it will be 6 over 4. And from here is equal to 1, right? So a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. In here, negative 2 times 2, it will be negative 4. And in here, 6 over 4, it will be 3 over 2, right? So we take this and this to this side, and it will be 1 plus this 4, right? This, it will be negative 4, and to this side, it will be positive 4. And minus 3 over 2, right? And from here, a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 is equal to 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4, it will be 5. So this is 5. And in here, we can write 5 as 10 over 2, right? So 10 over 2 minus 3 over 2, it will be 7 over 2. And this is our final answer for a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.